What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. So today I am going to show you how to work the wrap double crochet. Now this stitch is in the project for the Daisy Bouquet Lapghan, which is in the 2026 spring edition of Crochet World. So this tutorial is going to be a way for y'all to master this stitch when you get to the rounds where it needs this stitch. So I'm going to show you, because during my live stream I had a hard time figuring it out at first, and then once I got it down, so I thought I would share it with y'all. So okay, so I'm going to get right to it. So as you can see here, I've worked a couple of them already, so I'm going to show you how to work them. So after you get this one done, you're gonna skip the next stitch, and then in the next two stitches you're gonna work a double crochet, skip the next stitch after you work this, and then go into the stitch after that, and then you're gonna work a double crochet. So basically you're working you're working a double crochet in the next two stitches. All right, so then you're gonna yarn over, and you're gonna wrap the hook from front to back behind both posts, and then around again to the front. Again, I'll show you. So from yarn over, and then take the hook, go from front, the hook behind both of these posts, and then come out the bottom in front of both posts. It's going to twist around, so that's what you want. Then once you have your hook in front of those two posts, yarn over, and then you're going to wrap this around the post again. So then you're going to have 4 loops on your hook. So then pull this loop through this strand of yarn. Then you're going to have 3 loops remaining on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, go for the first 2 loops. Then you'll have 2 remaining. Yarn over, go to the final 2. Then that is your completed wrap double crochet stitch. I'll work another one. So yarn over, skip the next stitch after you completed that wrap double crochet stitch. Skip this stitch, and then work a double crochet into the next 2 stitches. One, then work another one. Right? Then you're going to yarn over, then take your hook, go behind both posts, and then out to the front, like that. So I'll do it again. I'll do it real slow. Yarn over, then take your hook. This is going to be for front to back, which you're going to take your hook behind both of the posts, then wrap around to the front. Then you're going to yarn over again, and then take that yarn and go around the posts again. Then you'll have 4 loops on your hook. Then pull this loop under this strand of yarn. So you're pulling this underneath here like that. Then they'll allow you to have 3 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Then you'll have 2 loops remaining, and yarn over, pull through the last 2. And then you're going to repeat that until you get all the way around. So this tutorial is basically a way to prepare y'all for working this particular stitch in case you're going to work that Daisy Bouquet Lapghan project that is in the current 2026 spring issue of Crochet World. So again, and any time you have an issue with following along or what to do, rewind the video to the point where you're having an issue and then go from there. So again, and that is how you work the wrap double crochet stitch. So again, thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and each other.